The one fruit you must eat after 60 to look years younger, doctors are stunned. As the years go by, we all start to notice subtle, and not so subtle, changes in our appearance. Wrinkles deepen, skin becomes thinner and drier, and that youthful glow we once took for granted begins to fade. For many seniors, looking in the mirror becomes a daily reminder of time's passage. But what if there was a way to turn back the clock, naturally? No needles, no surgery, no overpriced miracle creams. Just one simple fruit that could dramatically reduce wrinkles, support collagen production, and bring back that vibrant, youthful look. It sounds too good to be true. But more and more people over 60 are discovering that the key to looking younger may be sitting right in their fruit bowl. So what's the fruit that has dermatologists doing a double take and researchers scrambling to study its anti-aging benefits? It's the pomegranate. That's right, the rich, jewel-toned fruit that's often overlooked or seen as just a holiday garnish is quickly becoming one of the most powerful age-defying foods available. Pomegranates are packed with polyphenols and antioxidants, including punicolagen and ellagic acid, two compounds known to fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Why is this important? Because oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of premature aging. It breaks down collagen, damages skin cells, and accelerates the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. By regularly consuming pomegranate, you're feeding your skin with the nutrients it needs to fight back. Punicolagen, in particular, is a supercharged antioxidant that not only protects existing collagen in the skin but also helps to slow down the natural breakdown of this crucial protein. Collagen is what gives our skin its firmness, elasticity, and that youthful snap-back quality. As we age, our body's natural production of collagen declines, which leads to sagging, wrinkles, and dullness. Pomegranate helps slow this decline and supports your body's ability to rebuild and maintain healthy collagen levels. But the benefits don't stop at collagen preservation.
Pomegranates are also rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for skin repair and regeneration.
Vitamin C stimulates collagen synthesis and protects against UV damage, which is another major contributor to aging skin. If you've spent years soaking up the sun, especially without sunscreen, adding pomegranate to your diet may help mitigate some of that long-term damage. Even more compelling, recent research has found that compounds in pomegranate may actually support mitochondrial health and cell regeneration. In other words, this fruit doesn't just protect your skin, it may help renew it. This could explain why many older adults who regularly consume pomegranate report not just softer, smoother skin, but also improved energy levels, sharper thinking, and better overall wellness. When your cells are functioning better, every part of your body starts to feel and look better too. Adding pomegranate to your routine is simple. You can eat the seeds, also called arils, on their own, toss them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or sip on 100% pure pomegranate juice. Just make sure the juice has no added sugar, which can actually accelerate aging and counteract the benefits. If you don't have access to fresh pomegranates or juice, pomegranate extract supplements are another convenient option, but again, consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. People who've made this one small change, eating a bit of pomegranate each day, report glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, reduced puffiness, and an overall more youthful appearance. Friends and family begin to notice. Compliments become more frequent. And the best part? It's not because of an expensive cream or cosmetic procedure. It's because they're nourishing their body from the inside out. Pomegranate won't make you 25 again, but it can help you look and feel younger, healthier, and more confident in your own skin. It's a reminder that aging gracefully doesn't mean giving up, it means getting smarter about how you care for yourself. Disclaimer: this article is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice and should not be used to diagnose, treat, or prevent any disease. Always consult with your physician or healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions, allergies, or are taking medications. Individual results may vary.